Clean air and safe workspaces start with the right hose. Flexaust is the trusted name in dust collection and debris handling for woodworking operations. From fine woodworking dust to abrasive wood chip collection, our hoses are built to handle the most demanding environments, keeping your shop or facility clean, efficient, and safe. Flexaust offers a complete line of hose and ducting solutions designed specifically for the woodworking industry. Whether you're running a CNC router, downdraft table, cyclone dust collector, or large dust collection system, Flexaust hoses are up to the task, ensuring efficient dust capture and long-lasting durability. With custom lengths, OEM-ready cuffs, and made in the USA quality, Flexaust helps you get the right fit right away. Let's start with a favorite in the industry, our FlexThane series hoses. Highly flexible polyurethane available in 5 wall thicknesses and anti-static options. Perfect for everything from sawdust to heavy wood chunks. FlexTube PU60HF handles abrasive material with ease. Its flexible urethane build and smooth interior ensure efficient airflow, ideal for CNC routing systems. For shop cleanup, we offer hoses made for cyclone systems and kits pre-assembled with all the hoses and tools you need. And when static is a concern, Flexaust manufactures a variety of anti-static hoses to protect your equipment and your team. All Flexaust hoses are made in the USA and ready to ship. Contact your sales rep or visit our website to learn more about Flexaust's woodworking solutions.